Happy Friday, everybody. Working at some building today. It says that we're acid washing coils and taking them down from the ceiling and replacing TXV, condensate pumps. I don't know. So we'll see what we can get into. Should be pretty interesting. Happy Friday. Happy 420. Happy weekend. Hope everyone's gonna fucking rock and roll. Have a great day. It's gonna be warm out here today. Hope it's warm by you. See what we can get into. Later. It's pretty cool. Feeds into the water coil. That one comes out. There's too much coming in. It has a release. That ties in. This is your in. This is your out. Pretty cool little unit. And there's your water coil. So it's kicking off on high head. We have an issue with this guy. I put a clamp here and here, and it had the same temperature. So just use this guy, and you can adjust it there. Compressor right there on the side. Yeah, you ain't gonna get no flow through that. Oh my god. Wow.
Just imagine, you know how the solenoid goes up and down?
Yeah, there's nothing.
Even though it's sealed, like, now, before we go,
Nice, I got it all purged out. Kicked it back on, you're gonna see. So there was a big gloobie that came through on the coil. I disconnected and blew nitrogen right through there and through right there. So she should come on and run. She should, and then you have pressure taps that you can tap into right there too for your water. So just waiting for it to go through its delay. Yeah, but those water lines, I mean, there is no difference in temperature. It sounds like she's creeping up, you know what I mean? It sounds like it's creeping. We'll see though.